Hey guys, the model we are looking over today is Feiyutech A2000 Gimbal. After A2000 model, which is compatible with the cameras weighing up to 1000 grams, Feiyutech has raised the level and produced. Now we are looking over this new model that is adapted to all DSLR cameras weighing having weightage up to 2000 grams. All the components are precisely fitted in a box with dimensions 26, 26, 8 cm. Let's check each part one by one. First of all, detachable handle, USB battery charger, quick plate, main 3-axis gimbal itself, the little box containing shutter cable, camera support frame, and frame screw, USB cable for charging and firmware updates, 2 sets of rechargeable batteries providing 12 hours of recording. Let's go through the installation process. Take off the protective plastic on the handle. Align the pins and tighten the handle clockwise carefully. The camera used in this installation is Panasonic GH4 DSLR. Take the quick plate and camera. Align the quick plate to the screw hole at the bottom of the camera and tighten the screw. Press the anti-column button and mount the camera on the plate. For the gimbal to use less power and take smooth films, it is necessary to adjust the center of gravity balance of the 3 axes. Firstly, we are adjusting the tilt axis. Loosen the tilt and lock screw and slide the arm up or down until you maintain the gravity balance of the camera. Secondly, we are adjusting the roll axis. Adjust the center of the gravity for the rolling axis of the camera by positioning the arm towards left or right. Lastly, the panning axis will be adjusted by the same way. Center of gravity imbalance can lead to stable performance degradation. After adjusting all 3 axes, we have to check for the total balance of the gimbal. We can get to the next step, which is inserting the batteries. Remove the handle. Insert 2 batteries. Pay attention to the poles of the batteries. Then tighten the handle. Now we are ready to turn on gimbal. Long press the function button and release it until green light is on and hear the tone. When the power is on, the motor automatically adapts to work with different wave cameras. After placing the tripod, our gimbal could safely stand on a surface by itself. At the start, gimbal works in a panning mode by default. In this mode, tilting and rolling directions are fixed and the camera lens moves according to user's movements. When the double tap the function button, the gimbal works in panning and tilting mode in which the rolling direction is fixed. By tapping the function button 4 times, gimbal enters auto rotation mode, which is amazing for time-lapse photography. In this mode, you can fix 2 positions by yourself and the camera smoothly rotates from the first position to the second. After tapping 4 times, you position the camera to the starting point and press the function button once to set the position. You can adjust rotation speed from the mobile application. The gimbal could connect any Android or iOS device via Bluetooth. By the application, we can control all the settings and the gimbal can be remotely controlled using the joystick function. When we press the parameters button, we can see motor dynamic settings. For example, in motor dynamic settings, you can adjust the power setting for each 3 axes. In the follow setting, you can adjust the dead zone angle and follow speed. In joystick settings, you can reverse the direction of the joystick in 2 axes, and you can change the yaw speed and the pitch speed. In auto rotation settings, you can adjust panning and tilting speeds. You can also adjust the camera timer, which sets the time between shots in seconds. In the main screen of the application, when you press the button below joystick, the camera fixes itself to the default starting position. Thanks for watching. For more details, please watch the test videos in the field.